Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you on this Mercedes E-Class, guys, the W211 E-Class from 2003 to 2009 model. How to find the fuse for the power mirrors for the mirror for the passenger side. Okay, this one right there. If it doesn't work, okay, we'll show you what to do. Unfortunately, there is a fuse, but it's not for the mirror itself only. It's for the power windows as well, for the whole door. Everything that's on this door, because there is a computer module right here that controls the whole door. So the fuse will actually be related to the control module for the passenger door. And of course, if your mirror doesn't work, check that fuse first, okay, because that's the cheapest thing you can do. If not, we have a video how to replace the mirror switch as well. Those often go bad, and if that doesn't fix it, it's most likely a mirror or you have electrical problem somewhere. So we need to pop that thing open, okay, and now those are the fuses we need to find. Okay, right here, F22, okay, fuse 22 right here. This one, 30 amp fuse, the second one from the top on the left side. Okay, we're going to pull it out. Okay, let's check the fuse. It's good, it's not burned. If it's burned, you know, you're going to see that the thing in the middle is broken. And all you have to do, push the new fuse in. So if that doesn't fix the problem, check the switch, guys, and the mirror itself. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.